At the same time that a flood of information regarding Shiba Inu has broken, the markets are plummeting. This video is a must-watch for everyone with a Shiba Inu interest or Shib tokens. Is there any fresh information on Shiba Inu coins, and if so, how will it impact their value? In today's video, I'll address these concerns and fill you in on all the recent news that has increased the value of Shiba Inu. Please watch the entire video from beginning to end so that you do not miss any of the material that I have gathered. Additionally, the Shib news will shortly be relocated to a secondary channel. Watch the video that was linked in the comment and description, and make sure to subscribe to that channel so you can get notifications when new videos are uploaded. Prior to delving into our subject, however, let us examine the chart to see the movement of the Shiba price on May 1st, shall we? The current price of a Shiba Inu is approximately 2,087 units. The price of Shib has dropped 6% in the past day, in a single trading session that generated $655 million. At the moment, the token is the 12th most valuable cryptocurrency with a market worth of more than $12.3 billion. These rates may have changed by the time you see the movie, so please be aware of that. Money matters are beyond the scope of this material. Additionally, remember to follow our Twitter account. In the near future, we will be conducting several huge giveaways on that platform. If you would want to have an opportunity to win thousands of dollars, just follow my lead right now. The video for today is ready to go. Bitcoin falls precipitously. I'm not sure what comes next. Bitcoin has lost ground after breaking past the crucial $59,000 support level. At its current price of $57,000, the cryptocurrency king has the potential to fall significantly lower. Where does it end up? Bitcoin crosses a crucial threshold. A final barrier has been crossed. Once again, Bitcoin has fallen and is desperately trying to hold on to its $57,000 support level. If the price continues to decline from here, it might reach $51,000 before finding a temporary floor at about $54,000. You can see Bitcoin's decline from its bull flag bottom in the foreground chart up there. All that is needed to confirm the collapse is for a daily candle to close below the bottom trend line, as the bodies of 4-hour and 8-hour candles have already done so. Last-ditch effort to save Bitcoin, however. It's late, but there's still a chance that the alpha cryptocurrency will make a comeback. The dollar Bitcoin price is being oversold on all short-term time frames, and it's set to hit this territory even on the daily. Above all else, the stochastic RSI on a weekly period is currently bottoming out. Bitcoin is expected to experience a respectable rebound once the price reaches its support level and begins to rise again in the coming days. Considering that time period of 1 week, I'd keep in mind that the present level of support near $57,000 is actually quite robust. This might save the price at its current level, depending on how long it takes for the stochastic RSI to flip back up. Even if all happens very rapidly, leading to a lengthy wick down, the Bitcoin price may still fall to $51,000. If the weekly stochastic RSI turns back up and there is a strong buying signal, the price could go up again. Since Bitcoin's actions dictate the whole market, particularly for large-cap tokens like Shiba Inu, it's crucial to maintain a close eye on Bitcoin. Please, if you are still here, hit that like button. It doesn't cost you anything and will do wonders for the channel's financial stability. If you want to know what's happening with Shiba Inu and where the currency could go from here, you'll have to see the show. Shibarium is taken aback by a 500% increase in transfer fees for Shiba Inu tokens. The most recent statistics show that in the last day, transaction fees for Shibarium, one of two blockchain solutions for Shiba Inu, spiked. According to the Shibarium scan, the gas commissions paid in BONE, the native token of the Shiba Inu ecosystem, rose from 12 BONE to an incredible 61.47 BONE, an increase of 500%. Transferring Shiba Inu tokens is made easy using Shibarium. Using tokens made of BONE to pay for transactions, the burning of Shib tokens is a feature of every transaction, and a part of the BONE transaction fee is turned into Shib tokens and sent to the dead wallet. Several things have contributed to the dramatic increase in Shibarium fees, but increased network activity is the most important. Shiba Inu coins have recently seen a meteoric rise in popularity due to increased investor interest and market volatility, driving up demand for transactions on the Shibarium network. The spectacular increase in active accounts, which jumped from 1,724 to 3,650 in just 1 hour, further supports this surge in online activity. The increase is amazing, coming in at 211%. Curiously, rather than seeing an increase, the number of new accounts actually went down. This data points to the fact that existing accounts were the primary source of the activity surge, in place of newcomers integrating into the system. Shiba Inu the future? There are some serious concerns over the viability of the Shiba Inu network and tokens brought up by the recent spike in transaction fees and network activity. Does this increase in prices portend more activity in the Shiba Inu ecosystem? In order to keep up with the increasing demand, how will Shiba Inu be able to scale efficiently? What does this rise mean for Shib and Bone moreover? Particularly in light of the prevailing market volatility in the cryptocurrency space, where negative investors appear to be in the majority. In April, 1,696 Shiba Inu won. The April burn record was recently recognized in a post on Xper, the update by Shibburn, a community-driven tracking website. More than 1.696 billion Shib tokens were removed from circulation in April by members of the Shiba Inu community. The estimated monetary worth was $37,254 according to Shibburn. April Shiba Inu Shib is a fire. Specifically, 204 separate transactions were used to carry out these fires. On April 13th, there was over 600 million Shib burned, which was the largest amount for the month. On the same day that this increase in burns occurred, April 13th, the price of Shiba Inu plummeted to 1,850 units. Plus, Shib burn attempts were ramped up again on April 20th, approaching 400 million tokens. Importantly, April saw flames totaling less than 100 million. In April, almost 1.7 billion Shib tokens were burned, which represents a decrease of 89.16% in the monthly burn rate. Members of the community sold more than $547,000 worth of Shib tokens in March, totaling more than 15.64 billion. A whopping 2,330% increase from February to March was the burn rate. Also, out of all the months, March saw the highest number of Shib burns in the Shiba Inu, while February had the lowest number at 643 million. Surprisingly, March saw an increase in Shiba Inu burns as the Shib hit 4,500 units, a number not seen in 3 years. Nevertheless, due to generally negative market mood in April, the asset's value dropped by almost 50% in the following month. In April, Shib destroyed 1.69 billion tokens. At the same time, Shibran made it clear that the Shiba Inu contract address was the destination of a large number of the Shib coins that were burned last month. In addition, Shibran clarified that, contrary to what some have claimed, the acts were not prompted by recent headlines. Rather, some people unwittingly sent their Shib tokens to the contract address, leading to their destruction. This blunder has led to their investment in Shib was essentially wiped off. As a result, Shibran cautioned the community to exercise extra caution and verify crypto wallet addresses twice before completing a transfer. The meat of today's video is about to begin. This is the best course of action based on the most recent estimates for the value of Shiba Inu. According to AMB Crypto, the quantity of Shiba Inu coins available on exchanges has been steadily declining since the last days of March. To calculate the overall exchange balance, glass notes were used. At the beginning of April, we noted that the metric was 146.67 trillion. But as of the time of press, the data indicated an exchange balance of 140.66 trillion Shib, which means that almost 6 trillion Shib have departed from these platforms. The rest is on the way. The original intent of these withdrawals was to reduce the impact of selling pressure. Having said that, such was not the case. Despite a general market downturn, Shib lost 25.34% of its value in the past 30 days. There is a good possibility that Shiba Inu will make a full recovery if the exchange balance keeps falling. Although it may not occur in the near future, traders may want to monitor the overall market mood in May. For starters, the price of Shib might go beyond 2,600 units if attitude turns bullish. We found a similar signal when we compared the input and outflow of exchange.